Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 27th of March 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames, daily chart. Bearish hypothesis is happening. However, this hasn't developed 100%. This is a lower high, very ugly one, but obviously it's a pattern and it's a selling pattern that is actually trying to push the price once again below 547. If this happens, we can definitely see a potential sell-off once again, because the next target for these areas are located at 400. As you can see, 400 will be the next target in case this sell-off continues and the sellers manage to bring sufficient volume to push the price to lower levels. However, right now there is too soon to tell if this particular pattern is going to continue because of the overextended trend. We are right in a reaction zone. This level is very important for buyers as well. They're not going to give up that easy, so there's opportunities on their way intraday wise. Now this is the 12-hour chart. This candlestick will end in about 3.5 hours. Pay attention to it, because this particular candlestick can end up like this particular one here, this dodgy one. Something that it might happen, because right now the price is near the point of reaction, and if sufficient volume from the sellers comes in, no problem, the price can continue the retracement. But buyers can give a fight at this point, and here is a buying area where some buyers will try to push, and maybe some volatility will come along in a small time frame such as 15-minute chart. Keep an eye on it, pay attention, because good opportunities will come along. Possibly a lower high failure in 15-minute chart might give some insights, and it might push the price towards 577, which is located at that's where the SMA 200 is located. But let's not go too far right now. Let's watch 240-minute chart. There is a situation. We have a double top tail at here. Price was trying to build a new higher low. It didn't happen. It was cancelled by the sellers. Potential higher volume from the seller side came. He canceled this entire uptrend, and right now is trying to reach the support. And like I said before, this support is very important, because this support can make buyers react. The next uptrend is to create a new lower high. That lower high can end up being a lower high failure, and price once again push back up, and it might reaches one more time 592. That will be a triple bottom, triple top tail, that it might give us more opportunities along the way. But it's something that it might happen. But the next 3 to 4 hours are crucial for these particular situations to develop. Pay attention to that. And last but not least, 60-minute chart. Price below the SMA 200. We have a lower high already here. The price is still a little bit overextended. It doesn't show too much, but you can probably notice it, that the downtrend is overextended. This situation has to change, or if it continues, we can definitely find opportunities to buy at lower levels so far. So at this point, my suggestion is wait until this particular candlestick finishes to see what will be the reaction from the buyer side. And if they manage to push the price once again back up to this particular consolidation, we might see once again a small counter trend trying to reach 579, which is this particular area on the 60-minute chart. And if that happens, we're talking about 80% of the previous retracement will be denied, and the next higher low might end up pushing the price once again to 592, almost 600. But obviously the answers will come from the small time frames if the failure of the patterns come along, and the sellers obviously will have a small situation which could be kind of a problem for them. Thank you for watching. This is Mundobitcoin. I'm Lucano. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.